Welcome back to Easy Car Care, where today we are going to be taking a look at our best-selling kit, the Weekend Warrior. Now, the Weekend Warrior kit has been by far one of our best-selling products and most definitely the best-selling kit that we offer to date. Now, you might ask why. Well, that's simply due to the fact that you get such a wide variety of products within this package. Now, the kit actually starts with run-of-the-mill items such as your microfiber cloth, fallout remover, all the way up until the SI02 infused ceramic wax that we offer. Now, that comes in a 50ml in this particular package. So just in front of me now, I've actually got a 500ml kit, just so I can give you guys a little bit more of an insight as to what products specifically come in the Weekend Warrior kit. So just to start off, you've got Viper, which is your non-acidic wheel cleaner, Citrus, which is your pre-wash. You've then got Sub-Zero, which is a snow foam, Clarity, which is for your windows and mirrors, just make sure that they're nice and clean. Sleek is an interior dressing and cleaner, which everybody goes absolutely nuts for. It smells fantastic. The dressing is more of a satin finish, which makes it look very much like you've just picked your car up this morning, and obviously the cleaning power is very, very strong. So very briefly, you've got Eliminator, which is a panel wipe. You've then got Raining Iron. Everyone seems to believe that this is just for your wheels, however this can actually be used across all of the panels on the body of the car, so whether that be your doors, bumpers, boot, so on and so forth. You've then got bestseller of ours, which is the SI02 infused ceramic wax. Now again, if you go for the Pro kit, you actually get 200ml. In the 500 kit, you only get a 50ml. And then last but not least, Cherry Bomb. Now Cherry Bomb is our pH neutral luxury car shampoo, and then we also throw in some form of microfiber. Now, when we're talking price, this is probably one of the main reasons that the Weekend Warrior kit is such a big fan favourite. Now, when you buy all of the individual items that are in this kit, that tallies up to around about the £96 mark. Now, when you're buying this kit, you're getting it sub £40 at £39.99, so the maths on that is around about 60% off the retail value. Again, if you then wanted to up it to the Pro option, which as we all know increases your 500ml bottles all the way up to 1 litres, and around about 60% off. It's unbelievable the amount of value for money that you're getting in the Weekend Warrior kits. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is just a very brief overview of what you actually get within the Weekend Warrior kit, an idea of price and obviously what you're getting for your money. Now, if you'd like to learn more, in the description below I've left links to the Pro and the 500ml Weekend Warrior kit, and as well I've left individual links to all of the products specifically, so if you want to learn a little bit more about any of the individual products, there's a link to do so there. So other than that, make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and make sure you follow us on all of the other platforms that we've got out there, Instagram, Facebook, and so on and so forth. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. What can I do?